Hey guys, I'm Basanta from Smart Tech Guide. Today I'm coming with one small thing again, but it's really useful if you have been in this situation before. I came up with one situation where my Facebook doesn't show the latest preview. So if you have same situation, this guide may be good for you. And this is how to refresh Facebook preview on your recent web content change or YouTube description. You may have changed recently, YouTube channel art you may have changed recently, profile picture, YouTube profile picture or web page profile picture. It's ongoing process, so you may change something, but Facebook doesn't show the latest change. uh, if you are having that difficulty, this guide will help you. First of all, background, how does Facebook works and all that. When you share your web content on Facebook, it creates a preview, and in the back end it stores all these preview information on this Facebook server, so that for the next time it can reutilize that same information instead of going through the recreation. So that's how it shows the old preview even if you have changed web page content on the same URL. So to avoid that, you need to refresh itself by going to the Facebook's debugging page manually. So you can do that by visiting one of the developers tools, that's a debugging tool, and I'm gonna share that link to the description section, so you don't have to worry about copying the URL from video itself, but this is how you have to do. Once you change your content, go back to this site, developers.facebook.com/tools/debug, where you can enter your web page URL and then scrap again. I'll show you that demo right now. This is the page, developers.facebook.com/tools/debug, and here you have to go to that page and then log in with your Facebook login credentials, and then you get one text box where you can enter your URL that you have shared before, but the content may be changed later on and Facebook still shows the old content. Once you enter that, let me do my URL channel, YouTube channel URL. So if I hit debug after entering the URL, it shows all these information that's cached over Facebook server about my previous share. Okay, and this shows like the first time it scrapped was January, the time it scrapped was January 8, 2019, 11:07 p.m. That kind of thing it shows, and the response code was 200, that is success code. And next thing is redirect path, link preview. You are looking at the link preview. This might still show the old preview from your web content, and to refresh you have to come visit this site. Every time you change your web content, you have to visit this site and then scrap again. So these are all other information for your website if you want to inbuild, but basically you just need to go there, type in your URL, debug, and then as soon as it comes, there is a one option you can do scrap again. With that, it fetch the URL refresh, like whenever you change and come back and scrap again, it change all this preview and everything. So next time you share something on Facebook, this web URL on Facebook, it shows current preview. So let me go back to the slide, and note that you have to be logged in with your Facebook login. And another note is, if you enter your URL that hasn't been shared before, you will get the message from Facebook saying this URL hasn't been shared in Facebook before, and it gives you to paste the information. So you can also try that, but if you haven't shared before, you are okay without even doing anything here, because for the first time it goes through the creation process and it creates the fresh preview. So let me go back and show you what does it say if I haven't shared that URL. For example, I am doing this one, okay, just removing the URL. I haven't shared that URL before. Try that. Now it shows URL hasn't been shared before, paste new information. I can click that on and then it's stored on the Facebook server, but it doesn't, it's not required. So that's all for today, and please subscribe, share, and watch my videos. Share it to your friends so that they don't miss on these useful geek ideas and technological updates. Feel free to ask me any questions or concerns on the comment box below, and thank you for watching. Have a good day, good night, bye bye.